Imagine living in a town where the ground beneath your feet isn't solid rock or dirt, but a soft, bouncy layer of hand-woven dried grass floating over a massive lake. Welcome back to World Blueprint. Today, we are climbing 12,000 feet above sea level into the Andes Mountains of Peru to explore the Uros Floating Islands. This bizarre lifestyle wasn't born out of choice, but absolute survival. Hundreds of years ago, the powerful Inca Empire launched a brutal military expansion. To escape enslavement, the peaceful Uros tribe wove giant, thick mats and created their own artificial land. Living on a floating rug requires non-stop maintenance. Because the bottom layers of the island rot away in the water, the locals must drop fresh dried reeds on top every single week. Everything here is made of grass, their houses, their furniture, and even their iconic golden boats. The Uros Islands prove that human resilience can carve out a home in the most impossible places on Earth. Would you ever feel safe sleeping in a house that is constantly drifting on water? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to World Blueprint, and map out the globe with us. See you next time.